Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. I am here to tell you or show you about this tool that I use that I often get asked about, and that is this here brake pad inspection tool or measurement tool. I get asked a lot, how do I know I really need brake pads or when I should replace my brake pads? Well, this is the answer to that question. If you do a proper or a normal tire rotation, you should be able to access your rotors like this a lot or pretty often. Especially if you're having a sound, it's easy to take your wheel off and just check using this tool. If you need brakes or how close you're getting to needing brakes, you can see the red ones are very, very thin brake pads that obviously need to be replaced right now. The yellow ones are you're getting there, and green is obviously pretty good. You could also check the brake pads through the caliper itself if you have this inspection window like this vehicle does. This is a Mitsubishi Outlander, I believe. Oh nope, that says Hyundai, so this is the Hyundai Accent, but I have used it on the Outlander. Coming up, I'm going to use it on a Honda Civic, but you can check the brake pads in two different ways. Here I have the caliper off, and you could check the brake pad where it hits or has contact with the rotor. Even if you need to, you could purchase these, take them to the repair shop with you when you get a tire rotation, and ask them to measure your brake pads with this and take a picture so you can see where your brake pads are actually at. They're probably going to hate me for that, but hopefully you like, subscribe, and share for that helpful tip. Remember, if you need one of these, look for a link in the description below to purchase one. They're fairly cheap and they get to you pretty quick. Hopefully I'll see you in the next, hopefully helpful video. Thanks for watching.